Okay, so ran into a problem with Schoology where you guys upload a file format. This is the raw image format from the camera when it's saved as a raw image, and you copy it out. This has to be taken care of through a raw image editor, and it will not work in Schoology. So wanted to real quickly take a minute. First of all, you can set up your camera to just save as a JPEG, or you can do RAW plus JPEG, and those are immediately uploadable. If you get here, you're going to have to convert it, so I wanted to take a minute to show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to do an open with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, and it's going to take a while because it's a raw image. Down here, I am able to download this image. And this little guy, I can just click the download. Okay. Then I can save as JPEG. All right. I can pick the same folder. I'm going to save it where I pulled up its other one. So I'm going to select that, click save. Okay. And then when I go back to, I have a JPEG version of the same file, which I can upload in Schoology.